All right, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna be looking at a new toy that I picked up. I'm pretty excited about it. It is the Rupes Ibrid Nano Long neck. So we're gonna be unboxing this thing. We'll check it out more and more over time goes, but today we're gonna unbox it, see exactly what it comes with. Now I will say this is a very expensive unit. This thing retails at about $630. So I understand for the professional, for sure, it makes sense. For everyone else, for the DIYer, this doesn't necessarily makes sense. You can get it cheaper. You can just go with tool and battery only. It's around $400 to $440, but still very, very expensive. So I do have a bunch of polishers on the way, other miniature polishers, some unbranded kind of just weird ones you can get on Amazon. I have the Adams one coming, and I'm gonna be comparing those to this guy. But like I said, I will have other units coming. We're gonna be comparing them to find the best solution for the DIYer, someone that doesn't want to spend this kind of money. Because I get anything, for me personally, anything over 500 bucks in my head goes straight to $1,000. So if you don't want to spend that kind of money, just I get it. We have some options coming starting around the $120 mark, I think. So maybe a much better option for you. Now, outside of these super expensive type of products, I do have a whole free PDF download. I named it Detailing Simplified. It's just the main products that I use to simplify the detailing process. So if you're interested in that, I'll have it linked down in the description. It's a free download. Just click on it and you can get that and see exactly what I'm using, how to simplify your chemicals and all that kind of stuff, so you don't have to buy 40 different items. You can operate just off a few and get the job done. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox this thing. Really quickly though, before I do, I wanna state again, for some reason on my latest video, the one I did on the Dura dressing, there's another scammer posting with my picture, but it'll say like, text me at Telegram. I do not have a Telegram. From what I understand, what they're doing is saying that you won something, and then once you reply, they ask for shipping costs to cover the shipping to you. When I do my giveaways, I do not ask for shipping. I do not ask for anything. So just please keep that in mind. Don't fall for it. Text at Telegram or anything related to Telegram. I do not have a Telegram account. Not me. So please guys, just try and avoid those things as much as you can. I'm reporting them as fast as I can, but it's such a, YouTube's such a big platform, and I think it's happening all over the place. I don't know if they can control it, but I'm doing my best to work with you guys on that. Okay guys, so here it is, the Rupes Ibrid. This is the Ibrid Nano Long Neck Kit. Super awesome. The first thing that you get is this really cool carrying case. So it has a nice handle, flips up. This is actually stackable, I believe. If you have more of these, you can stack them right in. You can see the feet here. So it's really nice. We'll go ahead and just twist this and get this guy popped open. All right, so really cool guys, right on the back of the unit here, it's just a list of all the components that you can get for these items, right? So extensions, they have the short version and the long version on the back, just so you have an idea of what are all the components that you can use with this kit. Now, I bought this at my local distributor, Carglow, my buddy Jared over there, fantastic guys. If you're in the San Diego area, check them out, they're the best. So I don't know, this came in the kit. I don't know if he put these in there. On the what's included on the site, it doesn't show this, so it may just be a bonus from him. So I appreciate it if that's the case. Anyway, we'll toss that to the side for now. So obviously, number one from the kit is the Ibrid Nano Long Neck. Fantastic tool, guys. As you can see, you do have your variable speed trigger on the side. It clicks when you go from off to on. It clicks. Other than that, there's no real tactile feel. But just that on and off is nice. The battery component will go into the back here, as you can see, and then to power it on, it's really nice. It's not a trigger or anything, it's just this piece in the back here. You just hold it and you just, as you squeeze it, and it fires on. Now, one of the coolest things about this item is that you have options for your motion of the head. You can have it as a rotary, as a 3-inch, and then as a 12-inch, I believe. I think that's what it is. I apologize if I'm wrong, but I believe it's rotary, 3-inch orbital, and 12-inch orbital. So depending on what you're using it for, you have the option, which is really, really cool. Now with this kit, you also get the extension shaft, which is really awesome. Basically, this will get plugged into here, right? And then you can put your backing plate onto that. And that is fantastic, especially when you're working those tighter spots, trying to get the recessed area around a license plate or something like that. This will allow you to get in there. Fantastic, fantastic little piece. Now the components also of this thing, guys, build quality is phenomenal. Everything feels super, super, super premium. From there, we get two different polishes, or a compound and polish essentially, but this is their DA Fine and then their DA Coarse. So high performance, this is they call them polishing compounds. Oh, it does show cut to polishing compounds. So this is your heavy stuff. This is your finishing stuff. But two nice pieces there. And they give you a good amount. I mean, considering this is specifically for this piece, the backing plates you're using are either a 2-inch or a 1 1/4 inch typically on these, sometimes up to a 3-inch, but you're not using a lot of product. So the fact that they give you these, I think these, I don't know, I'd say these are, yeah, 8.5 ounces. So fantastic amount of product they give to you. Next up, right on the top here, we do have our charging case. So the power cord will be somewhere else, but here's the charging portal for your batteries. From there, guys, we have these nice little handles on the side. Just lift this out. And they do include 2 microfiber towels. Now this is listed in the kit, what's included. So again, this other one, I don't know if that's supposed to be included or not, but it is here. And then you also do get these 2 for sure. Then you get all your instruction manuals, warranty cards, all that kind of good stuff back here. A couple stickers here as well, which is just a nice little touch. Not necessary, obviously, but a nice little touch, I guess. So under here, we have our power cord for the battery charger. We also have this. So basically what you can do is you can plug this in, boom, and then you are able to use this as a corded option. So it's really nice. You can just take it like this. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in really quickly so you guys can see. It's plugged in, and now it fires on. You can use it. So you don't, if you're relying on your batteries, you have another option. If you're doing a big job, or if your batteries died on you, then you have the option to be able to switch through this stuff. Another thing to note, guys, is this is not a progressive trigger. So it's either on or off, and then you can just filter through your power settings here. But it's so comfortable that you just compress there, and then you can control it this way. So yeah, I love it. Moving along from there, this kit does come with 2 separate batteries. So very nice. And I gotta tell you too, the weight of this thing is just amazing. So let me pop this in here. Oops. Make sure to take your covers off. But so you just pop it in, and it is extremely, extremely light, but feels very, very solid in your hand. Definitely a very high quality tool. It's nice that they give you these little covers as well, just to keep your contact points clean. So just while you're storing them, I would just keep that like that. And now next up, we have this little pouch here. Really nice branded pouch. And this is where you get all your backing plates and stuff, and your movements. So here's a standard backing plate. That is your, I don't know what size that one is. Let's compare them. So that's going to be your smaller backing plate, and then this is your larger backing plate. And then you also get this one. I'm not 100% sure, but I believe this is for your sanding disc. So it actually comes with sanding discs, as you can see here. They give you a little starter pack, and these will adhere onto here, and it works for, you know, a lot of times if you have a car that was just painted or whatever, something got under the clear coat and it has a little, they call them nibs typically, sitting right on top, this little high point. You can use these to sand them down and then polish them out and make it all perfect. Don't do that unless you're extremely confident. It still scares me even when you're doing it, just you don't want to burn through the clear coat and the paint. So just be careful when you're doing any kind of sanding on a car, but it's really cool that they give that to you. Additionally, you get the tool. So this is what you can use to get into the head and actually change out the movement. And then here are some of our movements. So in its standard form, it's just a rotary, right? It's ready to roll as a rotary. It's just gonna spin like a drill, basically, just one motion all the way around. Now this little piece will be your extension point, so you can stick it on here just so that it fits. Then we're able to go from there, you're able to attach your backing plate. Bam. So there you go, ready to roll. Now from there, if you want to use a 3mm or the, again, I believe it's 3mm and 12mm. And yes, I just confirmed it, it is. So we have a 3mm and a 12mm. You can see the offset here is substantially bigger than this one. But basically what you would do here to attach these is the same thing. You just take that little rotary extension out, just press that back piece on, down, back that out. Okay, so that comes right out. And then you can take whichever one you want here and install this. It's a little bit tricky just because of the offset, but not bad. And then the tool is there to help you, obviously, tighten everything down. So you can actually just get in here, grab it like that, twist it down nice and tight, boom, good to go. Now it's ready to roll, and then you can put your backing plate onto it from here. So let me go ahead and go with the larger backing plate right there. Set the other end of it around the shaft, and then you can tighten it down. Good to go. So now we have a full, huge 12mm orbit on a little little extension like this. This will be using a 2 or 3 inch pad on the back, and it's just really impressive. Okay guys, now that we have the backing plate on, let's continue to talk about that and talk about the pads that it comes with. Now it comes with 2 different size pads, one for the smaller backing plate and one for the larger one, but you're going to get 2 types of pads. You're going to get a coarse pad and a fine grain pad. The blue ones are going to be your coarse pads, and Rupes is really cool because they color combo everything, right? So here's your DA coarse, blue on blue, your fine or finishing polish, yellow on yellow. So nice and simple to read there. So for the smaller pads, you're going to get 6 of them in each color. So 6 blue and 6 yellow. And then for the larger pads, you're gonna get 4 of each. You're gonna get 4 yellow and 4 blue. One more cool little thing they do include is these little brush attachments. Really, really nice that they just include this. One's a little stiffer than the other. One's more of a, yeah, definitely more of a coarse one. This one's more of a boar's hair type brush. So you can use these on anything you want, guys. I mean, just getting around interiors, exteriors, whatever else. I wouldn't go exterior too much. Obviously, these are a little bit aggressive for that. But interior, just kind of getting the dirt out of things. Really, really cool. This one could be used on carpets and upholstery. A little bit more aggressive. This one, again, softer, so on the plastics and stuff. Not on the piano black plastics, because that will scratch, but your normal door panels and stuff, that'll work perfectly for. So as I said, this kit is very, very expensive, but as you can see, you get premium components and you get a ton of accessories with it. So I get it's super expensive, does not appeal to everyone because not everyone's gonna wanna buy that to use it once. But for the professional, this is definitely a fantastic option. Now I will say, again, for the DIYer, I have those cheaper options coming. We will be reviewing them kind of side by side and seeing how they compare. So stay tuned for that, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss that. So that's it, guys. I hope that video helps you. Again, just a quick unboxing of a new tool. Again, just because this thing is so expensive, I thought I'd do kind of an in-depth unboxing so you guys can actually see exactly what it comes with, what those components are for, and all that kind of good stuff. So that's it. I hope that video helps you. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you're subscribed, turn on that notification bell. We'll see you on the next one.